What's up guys, Brittany here with Thumper Fab, and today I want to talk to you about the all-new Polaris RZR Turbo R roll cage. Let's walk around this thing and show you some of the options that you can add to it. Here in the front you have the front intrusion bar. That's an option you can add. A lot of people add this for protection, especially the ones that do like the rock crawling and not just the mud. Some people has to have something to grab onto. So right here is your grab handles on the back. Of course this is a 4-seater, and on your front you do have the options to add those as well. So a lot of people don't realize, but here at Thumper Fab, everything is done under one roof. With our cages, it's from start to finish, all done here in-house. Pristine engineering, welding perfected. As you can see, it dramatically changes the entire look of your machine. So this customer chose the option that we offer for the customizable roof. As you can see, he did a color match to his wrap on this one. So not only do you do the customizable colors, you can do the entire cage. Blue, purple, red, pink, whatever you'd like. We have rear intrusion bars. We have intrusion bars on the front. We've got grab handles. The options that you can add onto this thing are pretty much endless. So you make your cage your own. One of my favorite things to do on this cage, I'm a summer girl. So in the summer, I like to feel a little bit of wind in my face. But in the winter, I do not like to feel that cold air in my face. So you can either add your windshield or you can pop it off. It's that easy. So we got the windshield on. It's very simple, easy on and off. We wanted to show it to you off of it. We also wanted to show it to you on. Like I said, this is gonna give you a little bit more of the debris. It's gonna stay out of your face. Very clean design. Micro joint laser cut holes right here. Pop these screws off. When it's summertime, you wanna feel a little breeze in your face. Easy installation. So it never fails. Anytime we do a video about cages, somebody says, well, I'm 6'6", can I fit in it? Well, I'm 7, you know, blah, blah, blah. So I'm 5'5". I got some boots on today, so I'm gonna sit inside of the machine and show you. So if you're a racer and you wanna throw our cage, you have plenty of room here for a helmet. I mean, I have lots of room. I can see tremendously in front of me. I can see everything that's gonna come my way, both, you know, blind spots, everything right here. So this cage is definitely gonna be for you. So if you want to find out ways to thump out your Polaris RZR, check us out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.